Yo, what is up, guys? So another day, another vlog. But today I did get my new shift boot, so I'm gonna be doing that today. But before I do that, I'm gonna get a little quick bike run today at Benicia Park. You know, I've been neglecting my bike, as you can tell. There's a lot of spider webs, so gonna be going for a quick bike. And after that, show you guys how to install the shift boot. And hopefully it'll be a fun day today. So see you guys in a bit. Yo, we just got back from biking and I took a quick shower. So yeah, so now I'm about to fix my shift boot. And damn, so I did clean the car and it does look sexy right now. Ooh. So I'm about to pull it up a little bit so I could get more it's easier for me to get the tools and stuff like that I needed. And I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is the new shift boot I just got from in.focus. Shout outs to them. It's pretty cool. It does match the black with the whole car. You know, everything is black inside. So this will be a good addition to it. And so I'm gonna be taking these out, the old one. So I'm gonna be taking out the center console and then popping these guys out and then put the new one in. And the reason why I'm replacing this because this thing is bad. Like it's all the sun probably just fucked up the leather, so I'm gonna take these out. So I think I'm gonna be cleaning the center console too, so because it's dirty right now. So I'm gonna take these out. Take these out now. Put it to the side. Yeah, I'm gonna have to be cleaning this. And also I might change this too. Oh, there's a condom. Hey. So I'll be changing this too because the leather is also fucked up. So I'm gonna be getting that next week, hopefully. I don't know what kind of color I want first, but I do want something different instead of black because you know black tends to attract more heat, and that's bad. And that's probably the reason why this is so fucked up right now. But it's okay. We're gonna be changing that. Cleaning the inside right here. I'm gonna turn off the car actually. Okay, so these are my vape stuff. I am vape friendly, so if you want to vape in my car, you can do it. Okay. So I might have to take the coins out too. I don't know, but we'll see. Right now, we'll be getting the tools that we needed. Be back. Okay, so the tools I'm gonna be using are something skinny though. Get the clips underneath it. So probably have to use this flathead or something skinnier than that, but toolbox doesn't have any right now, so I might have to improvise. I might have to improvise. Or this. Nice. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using is this something flat, so you can take out the clips from the back of this. So I'm gonna hide the condom real quick. I'll put that there. See now, just safety, guys. You gotta be safety. Okay, so in order to take the clips out for this type of car, I know it's messy, my bad. There's clips underneath this, so if you want to just pop that, right there. So get something sharp too. Okay, so I'm gonna close that real quick. So there's gonna be clips alongside all this right here. So clips right here, clips right here. So you want to just pop it out. So once you get that out, boom. Oh shit, damn. It wouldn't be that bad. Alright, so I'm gonna slowly take this off. Make sure you don't break the clips, because you're still gonna use that for later on. Take this off. Hope I don't break anything. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna lower that down real quick. So I'm gonna have to take the e-brake. Oh shit, my coins! Ah, fuck. Okay, so yeah, I should have took out the coins first. I was gonna go underneath all my shit. Oh, man. So I'm gonna take this out. Boom, just force it out. Take this out so you can slip the slip this out. So there are wirings in there. So you just want to take out the wirings. I don't know if you guys can see this. So this is where I'm at right now. So in order to take this out fully, you want to take out the shift knob, twist it, pull this down, and now there's gonna be two wires plugged into the whole console itself because of the heated seats. So there's two of them, one for this one and one for that. You know, just pluck it out, and the whole thing should just come out. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. Check this out. So I knew I should have took out the fuck, this shit spilled all over me. Shit, dude, I'm hella fucking pissed. I gotta pick that shit up and just some. Why? Okay, some of the coins fell in there, so I don't know if I should take it out, because I don't know if it'll. I'll probably have to take it out, because probably when I drive, it probably rattles the fuck out of the car. I don't want to be too ricey enough already. It's already ricey. But okay. See you guys in a bit after this. Jeez, man. Okay, so after you take out the clips, you know, whatever, there's gonna be three things. There's gonna be holding the whole console itself to the car. For the heating pads, heating car, take those off and clip those, and also for the cigarette, whatever the thing, or charger port. So once you take that out, and the whole console should be out. And I'm about to clean this right now. So I'm going back inside the garage. I'll take care of the fucking coins later. But this is how the old one looks like right now, and it's gonna be changed into this in a bit. I'll show you guys how to do that. How to put the old one back in and the new one on. So peace. Okay, so I got the console out, and it's dirty as fuck right now. So I'm about to clean it, wipe it down, and then I'm gonna install the new boot in. Yeah, because this thing is worn out. I need to clean it before I put it back in. So I'm just cleaning it with water. Now rinse it down. Water we should do. Right. Okay, so once you got everything cleaned out, you know, to your perspective, whatever. Once you get everything cleaned out, we're gonna turn this around. And now we're gonna be taking this out. So there's gonna be 4 screws. You're gonna take these out. There's gonna be holding the whole ship boot in. So take that out. You know, Phillips head screwdriver. Should be easy. Screw it. Okay, so don't lose the screws because you still need to put that back in. Alright, so here's how it looks like. You're gonna take it out. It's 2-piece. Take it out. Now, if you wanna, there's gonna be staples holding this whole thing. So however you want to take it out, it don't really matter. You can just like rip it out or whatever, take it out slowly. So it's up to you. Well, right now I'm gonna take it out. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so there's gonna be, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 staplers holding the boot in. Where's the old one? So this is the old one right here. So it's sitting like that, and then there was staples all around holding it. So if you want to just like pry it out, I use this, just to pry it out. But I am gonna be reusing it, so the new one will stay still in there. And I might have to cut this, customize it, whatever. So yeah, once you get everything out, get the old one out, see how you want your new one in, or how you want to put it in. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this one because it's a little bit too long for this type of shift boot. Yeah, center console shift boot. So I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit. I love it too. Look at the color; it's customized. Eee. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is cutting the new one, to the same exact size as the old one. Because if I put this in, it's pretty long for this. So I'm gonna have to customize this a little bit. So I'm gonna have to line that up. Exactly where it's at. Kind of where it's at. And then I'm gonna cut it right here. Same with the old one. All right. So I'm just gonna guess here, actually. It don't matter. Oh, actually, make sure it's all even, actually. Or where you want it to go, or how you want it to be inside a car, inside your shift boot. Okay, so that's pretty even. Whoa, good thing I didn't cut it. Okay, so around there, it's fine. So I'll give it like a little leverage too. Okay. Ooh, that looks about right. That's how small it will be. About the same size as the old one. So I am gonna retrofit it right here, because there you go. So it's gonna sit like this. It's gonna sit like that. So it's gonna sit like that, and then I'm going to put the old staplers in there back again, so it'll hold it down. Oh, this looks nice. Look at that. Oh, can't wait. Hey. Okay, so a little update. I just got it installed, and I didn't use the old screws, I think. Yeah, I didn't use the old bolts or whatever this is, staplers, whatever. Yeah, to hold it down. What I just did is that I did cut it short, and I did have a little slack. So I just put the old two-piece thing that was holding it down, and I just used the screws to hold the whole thing down. And it's pretty stable. You don't actually need to tuck that in actually right there. You don't need to. If you want to, you can, but it's fine for me. This is fine for me actually. So good thing I didn't have to use the super glue, or that shit would have been messy. But yeah, look at that, dude. Look how awesome that is. Like, jeez. Okay, I'm about to put this back on my car. See how it looks like. Show you guys the before and after, how it looks like. It looks clean, right? Perfect. I'm in love with my car now. Shit. Okay, so before I install it, I'm going to try to get the coins out. Got my fat fingers. I got fat ass fingers, dude. I don't know how I could reach it. Jeez, there's probably like $10 worth of coins in there. Hella fucking mad. What the Jesus Christ! Look! I can't fit. Bruh. I swear, dude. Okay, so once you guys got everything done, finished, it looks sexy, everything's good. You're gonna plug in the whole wire first. the same thing what you did last time, or whatever the hell you took out. So plug everything back in. Don't break anything. Hopefully this time, shit don't break. Plug everything back in as how you left it. Please, hopefully. I'd rather eat ass right now than this shit. Okay. Everything's done, just everything clicks in. Just like boom, boom. Good. Oh jeez, dude. Oh, looks nice. Fuck me. Okay. Woo! Okay, look. Show you guys how it looks like. Boom. So everything's done, everything's finished. Now I'm about to put the shift knob in. Everything is good. Boom. Okay. That looks sick. Oh, okay, hold on. Forgot. Damn, that looks sick. Okay, I'm gonna do a little montage, real quick. Hey, so I hope you guys liked the video today, showing you guys how to install the shift knob on the 2008 Honda Accord. And I think that's all for today. I got nothing else to do. The car looks already clean. The interior is already clean. I hope you guys like the little montage I did for that shift boot. And if you guys do want to buy a shift boot for any car, for you, whatever car you have, go to in.focus.com. I do have their link right in the description below. And they're pretty dope. I love when you custom shift boot. It brings the car to a new level, like the interior level. Like damn, like I could see myself driving this, like playing with it all the time, every time I'm driving. So, you know what it is. If you guys like the video, comment, like, and subscribe. Wait for the new video to drop. More videos soon. Peace.